Uhulumeni wesifundazwe eGauteng usuhloniphe abahlengikazi ehholo laseKrugersdorp namuhla ekuseni njengengxenye yokubungazwa kwenyanga yabahlengikazi okuqhubekayo. Inhloso yalo mcimbi bekuwukubachoma uphaphe lwegwalagwala ngemisebenzi abayenzayo kuphinde kuvulwe nenkundla yokuxoxisana ngeinselelo eyikhungatha izimo zabo zokusebenza kanye nezindawo zokusebenzela. Ethula ke inkulumo yosuku ungqongqoshe wezempilo eGauteng uFaith Mazibuko uncomeka abahlengikazi ngomsebenzi oncomekayo abawenzayo emphakathini. Wabalula nokuthi ke kusekuningi okufanele kwenziwe ukubeseka, ukubakhuthaza kanye nokubathuthukisa.
Ukuqhubeka ukuqaphela nokubhiyozela inyanga yobongikazi, urhulumente wephondo laseGauteng ubamba umsitho ukuqaphela abongikazi ngendima abayidlalayo kwiimpilo zabaninzi. Ngethuba lentetho yakhe umphathiswa wezempilo eGauteng uqhwabele izandla abongikazi ngegalelo labo.
What we must acknowledge is that the work that we do as nurses in this province is something that makes all of us to be proud of you. There's no one day where we hesitate or are in doubt about the type of work that we do. And without yourselves as nurses in this province, we are doomed. Any hospital like ASHU SOGS, if you can take 1 week or 1 day in Jenitin, stay away. One day you stay away, you will see everybody will complain and say nurses have taken an off day or nurses have done a shutdown. But no, you need a shutdown. Nurses have taken a shutdown. So you are the most important people when it comes to the provision of healthcare in our province and in the country as a whole.
Umazibuko ubuye waqaphela imiqobo abahlangabezana nayo esithi kuninzi ukudinga ukwenziwa ukuphucula eli candelo.
We're trying to improve even our infrastructures in most of your clinics where you work or in most of your hospitals. I've given the CEOs and the facility managers their powers now. No longer powers sitting at head office. Powers are now with your CEOs in the hospitals. They will have a right to hire, they will have right to procure, they will have right to do any other thing that they want to do in that. So these facilities, we believe, will be building more and will be opening more and more of the facilities. I know I fight with unions on these ones. They say we like cutting ribbons and yet there's shortage of staff. It's called service delivery. So all these nurses that have graduated, we must find a way of bringing them back into the system. It means Dunafa will have more members now because they must come in. We must also find a way to be able to pay some of those that will have come within those systems.
Umphathiswa uqukumbele ngelithi kufuneka wonke ubani akhawulelane nabongikazi ukuvisisana nabo kuba basebenza phantsi koxinzelelo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eKrugersdorp.